Have you ever wondered why so many extraordinary women spend Friday nights alone, aimlessly scrolling through Instagram, while contemplating the elusive presence of quality men? It may seem perplexing, but the answer isn't solely the fault of men. In fact, it's time for a hard truth. It's you. Today, I'm ready to reveal the unapologetic truths you may have been avoiding. Brace yourself, because this is not your typical love and light dating guidance. This is raw, unfiltered reality that demands your attention. Let's set the record straight from the start. Men aren't approaching women the way they used to. And no, it's not merely because they feel intimidated or afraid of strong women. That's simply a convenient excuse. The real issue is that many women are making crucial missteps that inadvertently push men away, mistakes you might not even recognize as problematic. If you're exhausted from being single, fed up with the ghosts of past relationships, or just tired of attracting the wrong kinds of men, this message serves as your undeniable wake-up call. Here's the unvarnished truth. Men are weary. They're weary of relentless games, worn out by double standards, and dissatisfied with being treated as if they're merely disposable options. Before you respond with "not all women," let's address reality. This is a widespread pattern. Women seem to expect men to chase after them, take the lead in planning, cover all expenses, read minds, and tolerate emotional turbulence. It's no wonder many men are choosing to step back. Here's a newsflash. Men are human beings, not automated cash machines or emotional punching bags. If you want to attract a high-value man, you need to embody high-value energy. No exceptions. Let's delve deeper into the specifics. First, consider communication. You may crave a partner who is open and vulnerable, but are you truly fostering a safe environment for him to express himself? Or do you turn his genuine honesty into ammunition against him the moment he reveals something meaningful? Secondly, let's discuss emotional availability. You might seek a man who is emotionally invested and present, but are you bringing that same level of availability to the table? Or do you have your defenses so high that he feels he's navigating a minefield during honest conversations? Lastly, consider societal expectations. While many women advocate for equality, they still expect men to take on the financial burden and initiate every significant move. You cannot demand equality while simultaneously seeking special treatment. Here's the bombshell revelation. Men aren't afraid of strong women, they're afraid of toxic ones. They fear women who lack clarity about what they want, who resort to mind games, and who prioritize drama over tranquility. The real underlying truth: men desire a partner who embodies confidence, kindness, and reliability. A woman who knows her worth but doesn't use it as a weapon. A woman who is genuine and authentic, not merely performing for an audience. If you find yourself blaming men for your dating challenges, it's time for some introspection. Ask yourself, are you truly the type of woman a high-value man would fight for? Or are you unknowingly the reason he chooses to walk away? So, what's the bottom line? If you're determined to attract the right kind of man, it's imperative to elevate yourself. Stop attributing your dating woes to men and start taking accountability for your part. Focus on improving your communication, enhancing your emotional availability, and embracing your authentic self. At the end of the day, the right man won't exit your life if you provide him with solid reasons to stay. Now, I want to hear from you. Share in the comments. What is one aspect of yourself you're committed to improving to become the kind of woman a high-value man would genuinely fight for? And if you're eager for more straightforward, candid dating advice, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is merely the beginning of your journey. Let's make it count.